morning, everyone. It's another fabulous Sunday morning drive with Brett. Today is the 23rd of May. And before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Smash the thumbs up button, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on Facebook, smash that heart button. And let me know where you're from. Do a little hashtag replay, and let's get started. Today I want to talk to you about an opportunity that has 100% commissions paid comp plan, and all you have to do is copy and paste ads that are given to you, follow the training, follow the blueprint. It's a real business. It's absolutely wonderful, and the neat thing with this is that people are getting paid quickly and fast. The neat thing with this is that it has in-depth training all the way through. And you get in on the $300 level. Now there are 50 and 150 level, starter and middle and top. But for $300, you're getting all of it. 100%. You got all the ads that you need, all the training. And one of the neat things with having your own business is that you get to set your own hours. You know, a lot of people say, oh, you don't make money online. Well, I beg to differ. I'm making money online more than one way or another. Besides the opportunities, I do paid ads here and there, and they all pay off, and it's wonderful. The only thing is with your online business is that when you first start out, you got to have some discipline, and you have to have consistency. You got to be consistent, people. You know, I look at a lot of the situations that are going on. I look at what has happened in this last year. And for something like what happened in our country, in the United States, was quite devastating. Psychologically, it hurt a lot of people. They're just now starting to go back to work. And the majority of people said, okay, we're fed up, we're done. We're going to start starting a business. So starting your own business, getting involved. We're well into the second quarter of the business year. Make a difference in your life with a 100% comp plan. And with IPS, you will meet some really neat people. We have all the proof you want. We got all the testimonials. But when it comes right down to it, it's up to you. You got to make up your mind. Get involved now. And like I told you, there's been lots of trainings. Now, here's the thing. The other thing with if you get in on this with me on this opportunity, I have a few things I can give you. I have a few bonuses. I also have, for those who get involved, got a autoresponder that the setup will be I'm offering for free, and the only thing you'll have to pay for monthly is your you'll have to go to Get Response, and I can give you the link, and you'll get set up your emails. It'll be all set up for you. We'll get that set up for you, but you got to pay that monthly fee, which is no big deal. I'm paying it. And plus there's a few other things we'll be giving you. And the thing you need to do is stop waiting the big magic moment. Time to stop waiting, start getting going. The year is almost half done. and you will be thoroughly enjoying this thing, and I look forward to seeing most of you on Facebook. The other day I learned a valuable lesson on engagements. I was using hashtags again, and I found hashtags in Facebook do not match. If you go through my Facebook page, you'll see, well, I think it was 2 days ago, was it? 3 days ago? One of my posts got 1 or 2 likes. And, well, not just likes, but comments. And it was kind of heart-wrenching. So, what you need to do is to go over there and like, share, subscribe, and smash the heart button. Leave some comments. Hashtag replay. Where you're from. What's your opinion? If you like what you're hearing about 100% comp plan, 100% commissions paid, please come on over and leave some comments and say I'm interested and get me hooked up. And I will see you soon.